What's up everyone? Today we're having a look at Marina, a 2012 Riviera 5000 sport yacht, currently on the market with California Yacht Sales in San Diego, California. Here she is at the dock, and you can see she looks great stern into the slip. Perfect for easily getting friends, family, and guests on and off the boat. The teak oil was just refinished in May of 2021 and complements the rest of the hull nicely. Everywhere you look on this boat, you're going to see evidence of Riviera's great sport aesthetic lines. Stepping aboard, walk into a naturally lit salon. 360 degrees of windows keep this area just so bright. To starboard, Marina's galley uses the space efficiently. Panasonic microwave, a convection oven, a Euro Kira Princess cooktop, and a single basin steel sink. Tucked into the drawers, we actually find a dishwasher. In addition to that, 2 refrigerated drawers to store and chill any drinks or perishables. Looking around, you can really see this boat is set up well for entertaining at the dock or at anchor. This Fusion stereo serves the Salon and Cockpit, while this TV can be raised and lowered when it's needed. Now here's the fun part. The Helm station really fits the boat and doesn't look out of place at all. It features some of the essentials for modern yachting, including Smart Craft Vessel View digital monitors for both of the main engines, Muir anchor controls, Garmin multifunctions with radar and charts, Smart Craft joystick controls, and precision pilot controls. With the push of a button, you can turn the Salon into an even bigger cockpit with a retractable electric sunroof with controls at the helm. For a sport yacht, her quarters are surprisingly adequate. Surrounded by a glossy wood finish, this area is actually a very usable and useful space. A Splendide washer and dryer combo sits underneath another Riviera refrigerator. A Clarion stereo serves the sleeping quarters, and the guest head actually features a vacuum flush head, a stand-up shower, a bowl sink, and a vanity. The guest accommodations are just as ample. A bench seat faces a queen-sized berth that sits underneath the main salon. There's about 6 feet of headroom at the doorway, but that does decrease as you get closer to the bed itself. But there's also a large hanging locker for storage. The master cabin, again surrounded by glossy wood cupboards, sits at the forwardmost area of the boat. The cabin is private and has its own smaller TV and a private head. This head features the same vacuum flush toilet, stand-up shower, bowl sink, and vanity that the guest head does. Heading back outside, we can see her spacious and inviting cockpit. To port, a wet bar provides a sink, a refrigerator, and an ice maker. Marina's transom area is just as useful as the rest of the boat. The swim step can be lowered up to 18 inches or so into the water to create an underwater platform for guests at anchor, or just lower it to clear the way for the dinghy that can be kept in her transom dinghy garage. All of this can be done with the push of a button. One of the most notable features of Serena are her brand new ZUES pod drives. Installed in early 2021, these drives have less than 50 hours on them at the time of making this video. Stepping into the engine room, Serena is powered by twin Cummins QSC 600 horsepower engines with about 900 hours on each. Her auxiliary power is the Onan Marine 13.5 kilowatt generator with just over 1,000 hours. In the same space, you'll also find her Cruise air compressor, Victron 12 and 24 volt battery chargers, the Victron inverter charger, and an Aquamizer reverse osmosis water maker. Thanks for joining me on this tour of Serena. If you think you like this boat, there's only one way to truly find out. Come down and see her. For more information or to schedule your own viewing, please contact me, Tom Bossinger, at tom@californiayachtsales.com. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the water.